Good day and welcome to LASA. Today we're going to be doing the assembly of our DDS bar. Let's get to it. For step one, we're going to require your Allen key, 4 washers and 4 screws. You're also going to require your handrail and coinciding right foot and left foot. We'll then do the same for the other side. We will then prepare another handrail. For our next step, we're going to require our 2 connectors and our 4 knobs. Paying careful attention to the holes on the connector, we want to have the single hole on one side for both of them. So we want to have it like this with the other holes. So using these holes, you'll adjust for what's a suitable breadth for your person. Thank you for watching the assembly of our DDS bar. Please visit www.lasa.africa for more of our wonderful products. And don't forget to like and subscribe.